Hi guys, so here I am. I'm sat in bed, the bed that I didn't make this morning, totally eating one of the kids' candy bracelets because, quite frankly, I needed a sugar boost and that's the only real thing I could find in the house. I think I'm actually hiding from them, they don't know I'm in here. They're actually playing on the computer with their dad. After I said to them earlier today we won't go on the computer because you've been spending too much time on there lately. So they're on the computer, but I've kept them off it for most of the day, so you know, pick your battles. A couple of weeks ago, my husband fell off a ladder. Clint fell off a ladder. He knocked himself out. He's got concussion. He's currently at home on ACC. So I've had Clint at home. He's not been in a good way. He's on pain meds. He's drugged up to the eyeballs. He shouldn't really be playing on the computer either, but I'm not. I'm over trying to police stuff. I am tired because he has been up during the night. Of course, he's got internal bruising around his ribs. They reckon he actually fractured his ribs. It's not displaced, but so I don't know how long he's going to be off work for. I'm a bit sleep deprived. I'm quite a bit sleep deprived. His work wanted his work van completely cleared out and everything because they were going to take it for pound beating, which is fair enough, but you know, guess who has to completely clear it out and sort all the tools and do all the heavy lifting? Me. The kids have got their taekwondo grading coming up tomorrow, so well, 2 out of 3 have anyway, so they're going for the next belt. So I've been having to make sure that they keep practicing and overseeing that. And they've got their school pet day coming up. They have to make these constructor pet things that they've been wanting to do. They have to make their outfits for the dress-up parade with chickens in tow. They've been mostly doing that themselves, you know, but it's still, you know, there is the whole explosion of mess that comes with that. You know how sometimes you have one of these moments and it's like, oh, I felt like crying. I felt like crying all day today, and I don't even know why. I'm just, you know, but we all have these moments. I was mowing the lawn today. Of course, we mow our lawns with our tractor with the slasher on the back of it. We just mow our house lawns with that because we haven't got a fancy schmancy ride-on thing or anything. So we do that. Normally I do around the house, and normally Clint does down the driveway, getting in around the trees and stuff. He's a bit better at that, but of course he can't do it at the moment. So I did the driveway, and he's been out there critiquing it. He's been critiquing my lawn mowing. So often I think people watch my YouTube videos and they think, oh, she's so organised, she's such a good mother, she's so patient, yeah, remember I do edit those videos. Yeah, I am patient. I am extremely patient. I will grant you that. But it's not all sunshine and roses, and I think any parent knows that. I could hear one of them coming. Can't hide the bracelet just in case someone comes in. And sometimes you just need to lock yourself and hide somewhere. Hide somewhere. This isn't the best hiding place actually. Normally if I want to hide I might like lock myself in the bathroom and just sit on the toilet, but I'm not going to film myself. So don't feel bad, you know, mums, don't feel bad if you just need to lock yourself away for a moment, eat a candy bracelet. I can't stay in here too long because I've got dinner on the go. I didn't know. I told them I was going to make some rhubarb crumble for pudding tonight, but I'm not gonna because I'm a terrible mother. But I'm with you. You know, it's not always easy being mama, being on call 24/7, and sometimes you just get exhausted, and that's okay because that's normal. They're only quiet at the moment because, as I say, Clint's playing the computer and they'll want to watch the shiny screen. So I'm just, whatever, let them get away with it because it's giving me this little moment to talk to you. Hello. I was just doing a little chatty filmy thing. What's the issue?
I was gonna ask if you could read me a...
If I could read you a book? Look, I've been busted. He found me. I was having a quiet moment. Now Aston wants a book. You know, Dad's capable of reading. And I just want to finish talking to the people. Okay. So much for that. I hid the lolly bracelet. No matter what you got going on in your life, you got to look after you, because if your fuel tank runs empty, you get grumpy, you get snappy, and no one wants that. Priorities. Take a moment. Sit in your unmade bed. Put your feet up for a minute. It's not the end of the world. You look after you. Okay? That's just me saying, hey, keep your fuel tank full, because no one else is going to look after you for you. Alright. Have fun out there, guys. I'll catch you next time.